of animals. Monkey, guilty, monkey, guilty. Dinosaurs or dinosaur, batamsa, dinosaur, batamsa. We also have another animal called rabbit, arnoba. We also got another animal by the name giraffe. Giraffe, they call the same giraffe, but they use the word instead of G. They use giraffe. Yeah, they use giraffe. There is another one animal by the name. Remind me, please. Another animal. Yes, this animal by the name camel got two names, Nanga, all. I forgot what said. Naga, hello, what? Yes, I've remembered. Jamal. It's called Nanga or Jamal. Yeah. We also got another animal. Lion. We call it lion. Lion hazard. Okay. Snake, they call snake in Arabic haya. Snake, haya. Another animal, snake, haya. Kenzil. Another animal, pig, but they never eat pig. Muslims, they never eat pig. They call it kenzil. The one say, you don't know. Okay, bye.